Hello, my name is Oliver and welcome to my very personal finance channel. Good news, it appears that recession fears are causing the stock market to contract and start to move into the red. Fingers crossed the contraction continues and we see stocks return to a more reasonable level so that we can get our hands on a few more. As you can see in the portfolio, we have sort of dropped from around 9%-ish over the past month all the way down to 4%. So that's quite a drop of 5%. It's hefty enough. With this contraction, I'm hoping to get my hands on a few more shares in IUKD, which is an ETF. It is this one. Hoping to get my hands on a few more of these guys. I'm hoping to get my hands on a few more GlaxoSmithKline, as you can see, heavily in the red. And hoping to get my hands on a few more Tesco's and Vodafone shares, which are down here. As you can see, Tesco's is dropping quite away, and Vodafone doing the same as well. So hoping to get my hands on a few more of them over the next coming months. Dividends for this month are looking pretty solid. We only had 3 companies pay us. We had a dividend from Vodafone. We own 600 shares in Vodafone and they paid 3.78 pence per share for a total of £22.71. AGNC Investment, a monthly payer, which has proved fantastic actually. It's paid us every month at least over the past 18 months. This time we now own 210 shares, so we got paid a total of $25.20, which after tax works out at £17.74. And on the last day of August, we got paid for 150 shares in Henderson Far East Income, which is a closed-end mutual fund. They paid us 6 pence a share, and because we have 150, that worked out a total of £9 a share. Now, that's only 3 companies, but we've got the grand total of £49.45, which brings our average dividends per month up to £45.93, which is about 30% over our annual goal so far. So that's really good from that. Happy with that. Purchases for this month, we've increased our position in Vodafone. We bought 70 more shares for a cost of £1.16. There it is, £1.16 for each share for a total cost of £82.17. We bought 10 GlaxoSmithKline shares. We bought those at £13.89 each. It's since gone down a little bit more, but we spent a total of £139.63 on them. And shamefully, I must say, I bought a 1,500 Powerhouse shares for 1.9 pence each, and that was for a total of £28.50. That does bring our total Powerhouse position up to 20,000 shares, so fingers crossed they hit £1, because that would be that'd be lovely. And putting that information into our spreadsheet, as you can see here for the month of August, so it's come up to a total of £49.45. It's brought our average to £45.93, and it puts us at 31.24% over our annual goal. So fingers crossed, if it keeps like this, we'll absolutely smash that goal. As you can see on the graph, it's sort of sitting in line with about July, which isn't too bad. I'm expecting another quite large pay in September, but it's finally brought our average line over the highest payment that we had in 2021, which is good. It's very positive steps. I've started pulling something together over here just so that I can keep track of the annual dividend growth. I think that's going to be helpful sort of 4 or 5 years down the line, but we'll see how that pans out. And that's about it for this month. All in all, really positive month. Really seeing the difference that these dividends are starting to make. They're all starting to add up and become quite a bit chunkier, which I do quite like. We've gone from pennies now to pounds, and hopefully we'll start hitting tens of pounds more frequently. Yeah, all moving in the right direction. And that's everything from me. Cheers. Bye.